guys, today I'll be reviewing the nail stamping kit that I ordered from Amazon. So this is the box that it comes in. It comes with 2 stamping nail polishes, a stamper with cushions on both the sides, a scraper, and 5 stamping plates. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Few instructions and a thank you note, and a nail filer. So I have already applied nail polish on my nails so that it dries up completely before I start stamping. I have used baby pink, lavender, light blue, light green and peach color on my nails. So this is the first design that I am selecting from this plate for my index finger. So basically during stamping I could not see anything because it was not a see-through stamper. So I was unable to see and it was very difficult for me to figure out if I was stamping properly or not. So it was a disaster and it did not turn out to be good. I stamped only on the half of my finger. So there were 2 complete lines left from the design, so I just stamped it randomly on the finger so that it may look more better. Clean the cushion using a tape. So I decided to remove the cap and the cushion from the other side so that I can see through it. This is the second plate and this is the design that I am selecting. Taking off the extra stamped designs from the cushion using a tape. So this time it was much more easier and appropriate as I could see through it. This is the third plate and I am selecting this design for my ring finger. So the stamper did not pick up the design correctly, so I am trying it once again. This is the fourth plate and this is the design that I am selecting. This is the fifth and the last plate and this is the design that I am selecting. So what happened while scraping this design is that I was not able to scrape it properly as the scraper was getting stuck in between the hearts. So the design also did not come out to be good as I expected. So I am trying this design. I would rate all these designs that I used a 9.5 out of 10. I cut half mark for the 2 designs that did not come out to be good, but the rest of the designs were really good. So I would rate this stamping kit overall 8 out of 10. I cut 2 points for the following things. The first one is that the stamper was not see-through stamper. The second thing is that the 2 of the designs that I selected did not come out to be appropriate. Okay, so now the last and the third thing that I would like to mention over here is that when I applied top coat on the stamped nail polishes, it smudged. So I would like to say that do not apply a top coat, or else both the white and the black stamping nail polishes will spread out. So it's better that you do not apply a top coat. You apply a top coat before stamping the designs so that it will not spread also, and the nail polish will last for a longer period too. I will add the link of this stamping kit in the description box below, along with the other stamping kit options, so that you can select from a wide range of options. So if you want to buy it, click the link in the description box below, select the designs and buy it. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.